Hello people! So today I got in my ring light and I'm excited to test that out and show you guys everything that comes with it and stuff like that. I got my nails done this morning and I haven't eaten today and it's like 3 o'clock now. So I'm gonna eat. I don't know what I'm gonna make, but you'll see. Bro, this one's so frozen. Okay, so before I switch over to my big camera, I wanted to show you guys the kind of setup that I've been having to deal with for like the past couple years now. I don't like film too much and I don't post a lot and stuff. I film more than I post. I have a lot of videos, I just don't always post them, but I'm going to show you guys kind of the struggle bus I've been having to deal with for the past few years. So, and it's going to get really bright, but this is what I've been using for a lot of my videos. It's literally just like a studying, like reading light. Like, it's just a light. It's literally like $5 from Walmart. And I got it to study with, but I ended up using it for videos and stuff too. I used to use those and like Christmas lights. I used those and Christmas lights to do my videos. So as you just heard me talk about in the last clip, this is what I've been using for a long time, and I just kind of edit the color and the tones. But now that's about to change, so first I'm gonna, yeah, this is already coming down. I'm about to fix my bun. I think I need you to stay. Look at your waist, look at your face. I can let that go to waste. I need a taste. You hear my line, and you know that I'm on the way. They throwing shit. Okay, good enough. Ugh. Oh, wait. I almost fell on my face. Okay, hold on. Oh my gosh. The struggle. So, it came in this big box. I got it from Amazon. That's where I got the ring light. So, let me open this bad boy. We finally made it. So this is the box. Oh, that's blinding. This is the box it comes in, and I bought it all to where like everything comes with it. I didn't like buy individual stuff. So this is the, I think it's called like the horseshoe or something like that, that hooks the camera up to the tripod. Oh my gosh, I almost knocked myself out. Okay. Everything I do I struggle with, y'all, so this is just me. Okay, so I repositioned the camera. Just finds it. And it's the brand like Neewer or Neewer, something like that. And then inside this box, it comes with a few things. So there's like an instruction manual, so you know what you're doing. Oh my, this was not advertised, but there's like the timer button, so you can like start your camera or take pictures or record without having to click the button, so that's nice. This is a, what's it, like a phone mount to adapt it to your phone. Then the not the charger, duh, but the cord to plug into your wall. They also have one for whatever country uses this one. And then they have 2 different soft lights. So I think it's like the natural one, and I don't know what this one is, but I'm not using it. Oh, it says white and orange color filter set. But I'm not trying to look orange in my videos. I'm tan enough, so... And then once you stick that in, you'll tighten the bottom one. One thing I do notice though is that it kind of leans or like tilts to the side. And I know that's not just like mine or I did it wrong or anything, because I've watched a few videos and like reviews and stuff. And I know other people who have this one, and it does tend to lean because of this bar. Like when you tighten it, it's only tightening from one side, so it's kind of pushing it to that side too. Okay, now I'm gonna plug it in and we'll see how good it looks. I need to shorten you, hold on. Okay, so I'm kind of digging it, yeah. Ooh, look at this highlight though. Oh my gosh. Okay, but this one, it dims, so it gets, you know, dark, dark, dark. This is my actual lighting. Ha! And then you can get it all the way up to here, which this is like pretty blinding. I'm not even gonna lie. I like can hardly keep my eyes open without squinting. I think this is probably like a good medium. I think this is like, yeah, I don't know what I'm saying, but I don't even know what to say, but okay, bye.